In collaboration with the Ethiopian Event Organising Task Force, the British people and other community groups are preparing to remember and honour the suffragette, British Ethiopian human rights defender Sylvia Pankhurst, and her extended family members. The organisers would like to cordially invite you and your esteemed office to attend this very important event on Sunday the 17th of July 2022 in the London O2 Centre at Finchley Road from 5 o'clock p.m. Your presence in the meeting will be very highly valued by organisers and the diverse participants of the event. Thank you for your consideration.
የመወያያና የአቅም መገንቢያ ማእከል ከለንደን ትዕይንት አዘጋጅ ግብረ ኃይል ጋር በመተባበር ለሰው ልጅ መብት ተከራካሪ የነበረችውን ሲልቪያ ፓንክረስት ለማስታወስ እንደ አውሮፓ አቆጣጠር ጁላይ 17 ቀን ፊንችሌ መንገድ በሚገኘው የኦቱ ማእከል ስብስባ ላይ እንድትገኙ በትህትና ተጋብዛችኋል።